me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So as you can tell by the title, today I am going to be comparing a twisted up comb to a twist sponge. So I did use the twisted up comb on the right side of my hair and the twist sponge on the left. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys the difference like in the results, and also I'm going to be talking to you guys about the benefits of the twisted up comb. I don't want you to think that this video is biased towards the twisted up comb. I'm just showing you guys the results, but I am going to talk to you about some of the reasons that I prefer the twisted up comb aside from the results. Okay, so the results, I'm gonna leave them up to you guys to decide which side you like better. However, throughout the video I will be talking about, you know, some of the benefits of the twisted up comb. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna just be narrating the video. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just applying a curling jelly to my hair, and here's how it looks before I do anything to it. And like I said, I'm going to be using the twist sponge on the left side of my hair and the comb on the right side of my hair. I did them each for about the same period of time, like a minute or two-ish. But yeah, I'll just, you know, have the whole clip so that you guys can see the whole, you know, little transformation or whatever. So these are the results using the twisted up comb versus this side using the twist sponge. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know which you prefer. And like I said, I was going to talk about, as you see with the sponge, it begins to collect product and little pieces of hair over time. And also it begins to tear, and eventually you just want to throw it out and get a new one, as opposed to the twist comb. It's durable, it's made of plastic and metal, easy to clean, and lasts years. Okay, so now that that's done, I will leave it up to you guys to decide which side you prefer, the side with the sponge or the side with the comb. I did speak to you guys about the benefits, so at this point it's up to you to decide which choice that you want to make for defining your curls. I know that there are two different kinds of curl sponges. There's a flat side, and then there's like a rigid side. I do have a video on my channel where I'm explaining the difference between the two sides. However, I decided to use a sponge with the flat side because the results are more comparable to those with the comb. Like, it's more similar. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll include it. And yeah, so if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at Janai Kirsten. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, also be sure to do that right now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.